Hey guys, so it's always fun to have my hair blown out, but I am ready to say goodbye to this blowout and go back to my natural curls. So today I'm going to be using some of my favorite Shea Moisture products, great for chemically processed or heat styled hair. So for my shampoo, I'm going to be using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Betonite Clay Shampoo Bar. You guys, I absolutely love this product. It's a mineral-rich shampoo bar which absorbs excess oil and lifts away impurities while providing a gentle, cleansing, rich lather. So as you can see, I'm just massaging the edges of my hair with the soap bar, and it's going to create a really nice lather. Once I'm done with my edges, I'm then going to go through and finish massaging the rest of my scalp with this shampoo bar. So what I love about this product is that it's going to provide hydration, and it also is going to soften damaged curls and coils. And while my hair may not be damaged, I know that I've just, added heat to my hair, so I want to give it a little extra loving. I've been using these products for a while, ever since I started coloring my hair, and I recently just got some highlights in, and on top of that I got my hair blown out, so I know my hair is probably like, what are you doing to me? So I wanted to, like I said, to give it some extra loving, and this was the perfect option for that. So as you guys can see, I am now using the bar along the shaft of my hair as well, just really giving my hair a really nice shampoo. So for our conditioner, I'm using the Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner, and what I love about this is that it's sulfate-free and color safe, which is important since I have just got my highlights put in. Also, this product is going to moisturize and restore lifeless, damaged hair. Now again, I don't think my hair is damaged, but it's perfect because I have just chemically treated my hair as well as added heat. So a little extra leaven never hurt anyone. So when I add in my conditioner, I like to section my hair into 4 sections, and as you can see, I am now detangling my hair with my Denman brush. It's important to detangle your hair vertically with your Denman brush. It really helps with making it a lot easier to detangle, and that way you're not pulling your hair as much. So once I'm done detangling, then you'll see that I will use the brush regularly, just because I want to make sure that the brush is able to get the product throughout my hair evenly. So once I'm done with each section, I then twist it up. I let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes while I finish my shower. Alright, so after I have washed and conditioned my hair, I'm going to go back in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen, Grow, and Restore Treatment Mask. I've been using this mask for quite a while as well. This product is perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style their hair. Basically going to do the same exact thing with my mask that I do with my conditioner. I'm going to put my hair in 4 sections and then comb the product through each section. And as you can see, I pay very close attention to the very ends of my hair, being that they are the oldest parts of my hair. They definitely need to make sure that they're getting deep conditioned. Since I don't have a heated dryer, I typically just will let this sit in my hair for about 20 minutes, and then I rinse it out thoroughly, and then I style as usual. And here we go. here are the final results. My hair feels so good, you guys, so soft. Couldn't ask for anything more. My curls are nicely defined and intact, and I am a happy camper. If you guys like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, seize your destiny and have fun doing it. Bye.